Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jason with devslopes.com, and in this video we are going to learn about CSS combinations using descendant and child selectors and the difference between them. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So real quick, go ahead and grab this image here, and we're just going to cut it, and we want to go ahead and place it in our container because that makes sense to keep everything contained. And for this example, we are going to create an unordered list. So go ahead right beneath the image, let's create an unordered list, and then we're going to put some list items in here. And the first list item, we're going to write, I love to skate. Alright, and then the second list item, let's put my favorite skate tricks. Alright, and then now let's list some favorite tricks, and in here we're going to put an ordered list. We're going to nest some list items here. And let me get inside of here, create a list item. And I love 360 flips. Those are fun. And then another really cool trick that I love is backside nose blunts. Okay? All right, if you don't know what they are, look them up. They're fun tricks. And then, so we've got our nested ordered list, and then right outside of that, let's create our last list item, which is going to be a third list item to our unordered list. And we'll put skate till you can't walk. All right, and yes, that's improper grammar, but it sounds better. All right, I love it. So let's go ahead and see how this looks. It's probably going to be a little bit difficult to see because we got a dark background and it's going to be black text on it, and it is, but we can kind of see it here. Let's go ahead and work with some descendants and learn what that is. So over in our CSS, let's grab the unordered list. So we're grabbing this element here, and then put a space and grab a list item, and then open that up with some curly braces. So what a descendant selector is we have a parent and then a child, and what we're saying is every single list item under an unordered list, we're going to add these style rules to it. And it doesn't matter how deep this is. So we've got a top level here, and then we've got a nested level here. So when we go ahead and add a color, and I'm going to add white so it shows up better. And then we do a font size of like 20 pixels. What we're saying is with this unordered list, these list items and the nested list items in this ordered list are going to take on the color and the font size that we've set here. All right, and this could be 50 levels deep, 50 nests, all right, if that makes sense, 50 nests. It's going to inherit these properties. So let's come over here and refresh, and we can see that we have added a white color and a font size of 20 pixels. Now let's learn the difference between descendants and then child selectors. All right, so let's come back over to brackets. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the unordered list again, and this time I am going to target the list item. And what this says is when we use this selector is we are saying that any unordered list that has a child that is a list item here that is only one level deep inherit these style rules. Okay, so it only goes one level deep. So if we went ahead and we added a color of yellow, all right, that means that these list items over here are going to inherit the white because the direct children of this unordered list, which is these three, are going to inherit the color yellow. Let me show you what that looks like. And there you have it. You can see it's yellow. So we had our unordered list here, and we have three immediate child elements, list items here, which inherited the color yellow. But then we had these nested list items in an ordered list that didn't get targeted. It just inherited the standard unordered list style rules that we had applied to it. So very simple stuff. That is CSS combinations using descendants and child selectors and the difference between them. Let's move on.